Hey everybody! Hope you're all having an awesome evening. And I'm just making a quick little video here for you to show you what I got for Boxycharm this month. Boxycharm. It's a bigger box, which is nice. And it's pretty heavy. Mine's pretty heavy this month. Of course, I did peek because I couldn't help myself. So here's what I got. I got the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation samples. So I don't know. Wonder which one's going to be good on my skin. What do you guys think? If you're still here, put your answer below. I'm curious. Thanks. Okay, here's our little pamphlet. Stellar. Oh look, I did my manicure recently. Whoops. I did my manicure recently. Really happy about that. My holiday manicure. I look like hell otherwise. I mean, oh, I guess I can say that. And sorry, but I told everybody that I was going to come on when I got Boxy, so here I am. Now, I got, okay, so that's worth nothing, but first I got the brushes. Okay, now, my problem, okay, what did it say? The brush set, this is worth $35. Well, I gotta tell you something. Look at this. Woo! I mean, you can't even do this. They're gonna fall all over the place. They're like really heavy up here and super light, which I guess that's okay. You know, but tell you the truth, I might just put these in a giveaway because they're just not the kind I like to use. But I think they're really good. They're super thick. Really nice and thick. And so I think they'll be good. Maybe I'll try them. Maybe I'll put them in the giveaway. By the way, my giveaway is coming soon. When I get 250 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. So I better start getting it together. And then I'll make a video about the giveaway. Okay, so those I got. $35. I got the Kypress, which I'm so happy about. This stuff is awesome. And it's $90. Is it worth $90? Heck yeah! It's flipping awesome. I'm not going to open this one because I don't know if I'm going to give it for a gift to somebody. And how do I know? I already have another one. I bought 2 of these for $12 each. When I could do the Boxy add-ons or whatever, I was so excited. And I just love this stuff. Let me give you a little demo. So, comes out just white. It's just a serum. But it doesn't feel heavy. And I think it's water-based. But it's really awesome. Yes, I don't waste any time. But I am doing this lightly. I just love it. Oh, it makes my skin feel so expensive. I didn't mean to say that. It makes my skin feel so smooth and really good. Anyway, I guess that would be expensive too. Okay, anyway, so I got that, 90 bucks. 90, 110, 20, so we're up to 125 already. Boxy Charm regular base box is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products, high-end, really nice products. Okay, and then I got the beautiful. Oh, I'm excited to use this. I didn't know how much until I received the box. Really, this doesn't even do it justice. Let's see if I can. I mean, some of them are like sparkly. Wait, I can look and do this. Yeah. See? Ooh, see the black? Some of them are real sparkly. There's like, okay, this one is real sparkly. This one. Maybe this one. And these are mattes, it looks like. But, oh, they're just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm not going to swatch them. because I'm getting the whole everything for my giveaway together. Okay, the next thing I got. Oh, and that's worth. I'm trying to make a short video, so the Celestial Thunder and the Thunder Road. Come on. Oh, Dominique. There it is. Dominique Cosmetics. $35. So we're up to what? 125, 55, 60. We're up to 160 already. Now, I'm so happy about this. I love my Tula. I got my beautiful Tula masks. And this is Tula Skincare Star Power Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask. Set of 2. And this is $22 for a set of 2, and it is worth it, I tell you now. It's right here, because Tula has probiotics and everything in all of their products. I'm pretty sure all of their products. Tula Skincare. Excited to use this. I'm going to use it tomorrow. And then I'm going to do a get ready with me, because I'm not doing it now. Alright, so those are 22. So what were we up to? 170? 160? 170? Oh gosh. 35, 70, and wait a minute. 70 and 90. What's that equal? 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 160, 70, 80, 182. And I've got the last thing, which is an $18 item. That brings me to an even $200 value. Dose of Colors, which I'm really excited. I love the Dose of Colors. I never have loved the matte lipstick, or you know, the long-lasting ones. Look what I got. Oh my gosh. Oh, Nude Mood. You're in a nude mood. It's getting hot in here. Just teasing, you guys. I'm having fun. And tonight the Voice is on, and Dancing with the Stars, and I love all those. Look at that. That is beautiful. And I did try it earlier. Like I said, I got into it earlier. So yeah, I tried it, and after you let it dry down for a while, it is not transferable. It really doesn't transfer. So my box is worth $200. Ooh, I'm going to try something. Remember this? Here's our Thunder. I'm going to take some of this and see if I can put a little highlight on my lipstick. I did bring it up a little bit, you know, without making it all crazy bright. Let me see. Bet you could use this stuff for highlighter too. Let me see. Yeah, you can. Oh my. Wow. I don't have any makeup on, as you can tell. But wow, that would, you know, if I had all my makeup on, that would make a very pretty highlighter. Well, anyway, that's my $200 box for $25 from Boxycharm. And I'm really appreciating it this month. So I have no complaints. I know today everybody's talking about the Boxy pop-up got clogged up and messed up the system. Well, here's hoping that tomorrow it'll be better, and you know, that everything's not sold out. They should do something about that. Anyway, all right, I hope you all have a wonderful, fabulous, blessed evening, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.